I'm just going to demonstrate how to cut a potato, a seed potato. So what we're doing is we're going to cut it in 3 or 4 pieces, maybe 5 at most. And we've got little shoots right here, eyes, and we want to make sure each piece has at least 1 eye. So basically I take a nice sharp knife.
Wow. It's that kind that you're showing
And
me, but it's
we've got Magic Molly potato right here, which is full of anthocyanins. Anthocyanins are a natural pigment found in many plants. Blueberries, beets. So yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Let's put that down. And then we're gonna take, where is our trowel?
Right there.
So what we're gonna do is make a 4, 5, 6-inch hole. Got some great sandy soil here. It's beautiful sandy loam. Look at that, it just crumbles. And you can feel there's some organics mixed in there too, because this was a forest not that long ago, and will be again. So I've got it about 4 inches down, place it cut side down, with the eye facing up, and then just cover it up. And then, for the time being, we can put a stick here so we know we planted one here. Ken, would you like to try cutting?
Sure.
Okay. So, take a look around, see if you can find an eye.
Oh, found an eye. Right there.
Let's see. Okay. So, cut me a chunk of that potato.
Potato.
I think I would go... See what we have to put up with? Here, now, check your circle of blood. And check your circle of blood. Yeah. Right. And remember your triangle of death too, right? That means you're not working over your legs. Okay, so put your legs to the side. Okay. A little more space to that. Yeah, all right, try that. Okay, stop. And pull out your knife. What I want you to do now is come in that way. Chop it out. Nope. From the top. Yep. Nice and slow. Yeah. There you go. Nice piece of potato. Because we have another one with an eye right there.
So we just put in some sunchokes, also known as Jerusalem artichoke. They're a type of perennial sunflower that produces an edible root crop. They are native to North America, and these ones were a gift from a friend that I made through our local Buy Nothing group. She originally grew them in North Carolina and then brought some of them with her when she moved back to Maine. And since she knows how much I love planting stuff, she's been sharing things with me recently. So I'm hopeful that we'll get some productivity from them. They are very popular with the wildlife, so there's a chance that they could end up feeding the animals before we have a chance to eat any ourselves. So continuing in the trend of planting more perennial vegetable crops, we are adding some Good King Henry to our garden this year. These were gifted to me by the same friend who gave me the Jerusalem artichokes. Good King Henry was a traditional potherb in old gardens in England and France, I believe, and fell out of fashion, but it produces edible leaves in the spring that can be used like spinach, and then after it bolts, edible flowers, and the seeds can be used similar to quinoa. One aspect of permaculture that I love is the idea of slow, small solutions. And in my garden, I've felt like I didn't have ideal water sources for wildlife. And our newest installation here is this bee bath. So there's water in here amongst the marbles, and the marbles provide a safe landing space for pollinators. And it's made from a beautiful glass ashtray that we found at the antique store, and marbles from the antique store. And so it's a way to repurpose something that was really quite beautiful, but not suited to our needs in its original function. So I'm hoping that this makes our little bee friends happy.